Hello and welcome. Let's solve the question above. 125 to the power of 27 to the power of 2s to the power of negative 1 equals to 5 to the power of 9. We are to find the value of x. You can see this question is in form of a what? A tower. Alright, the first thing we are going to do is to express our 125 in terms of what? 5. And you agree with me that we can write our 125 to be in form of what? 5 to the power of 3. So if we write this in form of this, that means that this one is going to be 27 to the power of 2s to the power of negative 1 to be equals to 5 to the power of 9. Alright, now you can see that in indices that power will multiply power. So it means 3 will multiply what we have here. So we are going to have this to be 5 to the power of 3 multiplied by 27 to the power of what? 2s to the power of negative 1 equals to what? 5 to the power of 9. And you are going to agree with me that the same base will cancel out. Alright, now we are going to be left with what? We are going to be left with 3 multiplied by 27 to the power of what? To the power of 2s to the power of negative 1 equals to what? 9. So the next thing we can do is we are going to divide through by 3. So if we divide 2 by 3, we observe that 3 will go cancel out here, then we'll be left with what? 27. So we'll be left with 27 to the power of what? To the power of 2s to the power of 2s to the power of minus 1 equals to what? 9 divided by 3 is nothing but what? 3. Alright. Now again, we can write our 27 in form of what? 3 to the power of 3. So we are going to have this to be 3 to the power of 3 into what? Into 2s to the power of negative 1 equals to what? 3. Again, power will multiply power. So again, we are going to have 3 to the power of 3 multiplied by 2s, that is 3 multiplied by 2s to the power of negative 1 is going to be equals to what? It's going to be equals to 3. And you agree with me that this 3 here is raised to the power of 1. So the same base will cancel out again. This will go with this. 3 multiplied by 2 is 6. So we are going to have 6s to the power of negative 1 equals to what? 1. So I will divide both through by 6. If I divide through by 6, this will go with this. Then we are going to have s to the power of negative 1. Here, from the law of indices, if we have 1 all over s, we can write it as s to the power of what? Minus 1. So here we can write this as what? 6 to the power of what? Minus 1. And they are of the same power. So this will cancel out this. Then the value of s is going to be equal to what? 6. I hope you understand this question and the solution. Thanks.